All right, in this step, we're to match these pieces here. They're all yellow on top, so we just need to match them. We have one that matches, which is the red side. All of these other ones don't match, so we're gonna place it to the back, and we're gonna do this algorithm. Front, front, up, left. So left is spinning it this way. Left, right inverted, front, front, left inverted, right, up, front, front. Okay, so let's try that. Red piece is in the back, and go. Front, front, up, left, right inverted, front inverted, or sorry, front, front, left inverted, right, up, front, front. Boom. We only needed to do that once, and it's completely solved. And that is how you solve a Rubik's Cube. All right, good luck.